Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, John. How did you sleep?
Pretty well, but I wish I could have slept a bit longer. How about you?
I slept okay, but I had a weird dream.
Oh, really? What was it about?
It was strange. We were on a vacation, but we got lost in a forest.
That sounds like an adventure. Maybe it's a sign. We need a real vacation.
Maybe. But first, let's start the day. Are you ready for breakfast?
Yes, but I need coffee first.
Don't worry, I already made some. Come sit down and I'll get you a cup.
You're amazing, Sarah. What's for breakfast?
I was thinking of making scrambled eggs and toast. Sound good?
Sounds perfect. Let me grab some juice too.
Sure. Can you also get the butter from the fridge?
Of course. By the way, do you have any early meetings today?
Yes, I have one at 9:30 am. You?
I have a meeting at 10 a.m., but I should be able to finish before lunch.
That's good. Should we have lunch together today?
Absolutely. Where should we go?
How about that new cafe around the corner?
Perfect. Let's go there at noon.
Great. But first, let's finish breakfast and get ready.
Agreed. Let me go take a shower first.
All right. I'll clean up the kitchen in the meantime.
You're the best, Sarah.
Thank you, John. Don't forget your meeting today at 10 a.m.
Thanks for reminding me. Are you working from home today?
No, I have to go to the office for a few hours.
All right, let's leave together, then.
Good idea. Let me just grab my laptop and we can go.
I will get the car started. I hope there's no traffic today.
Me too. Yesterday it took me an extra 30 minutes to get to work.
Let's take a different route today and see if it's faster.
Good idea. By the way, do we need to get groceries later?
Yeah, we're running low on a few things. Let's go after work.
All right, I will make a list.
Hey, Sarah, want to grab lunch together?
I'd love to. Where should we go?
How about that new cafe around the corner?
Perfect. Let's go.
Did you finish your morning tasks?
Almost. Just a few emails left.
Don't stress. Let's enjoy lunch first.
You always know how to make me feel better. How was your meeting?
It went well. We discussed the new project timeline.
That's great. I had a productive morning too.
Nice. Are you ready to head home?
Yes, but let's stop by the grocery store first.
Good idea. Let's make it quick.
What should we make for dinner tonight?
How about pasta?
Sounds good. I'll start cooking while you set the table.
Deal.
Dinner was delicious.
Thanks for cooking. Want to watch a movie?
Yes. Let's pick something lighthearted.
Good idea. How about a romantic comedy?
Perfect.
It's getting late. Time for bed?
Yes, let's get some rest.
Good night, Sarah.
Good night, John.